Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to keyframe in DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, basically move this one over here. Okay, you move this line here within the time frame, so you take it to the point where you want to add the keyframe. So my first keyframe will be right here at the beginning. So when I move it there, I'll tap to the video itself, then come here on the scale. So this one will be zooming outside. Okay, it will be zooming in just like that. So I'll adjust it until I'm satisfied. Okay, that's the first keyframe. Okay, you just tap on that. All right, so now I'll adjust this a bit until where I want to put the next keyframe. So the next keyframe basically will come in the second video, just there. So I'll tap on the second video, then I'll come to the scale. So again, I'll adjust it and I'll be zooming it inside, just like that. Okay, so I'll come to this one that says add keyframe, then I'll tap on add keyframe. So the last keyframe will be zooming outside at this point. So I'll come here, then I zoom outside at this point. Okay, then I say add keyframe. All right, so now let's play and see how the keyframes have been added, how they have been added in DaVinci Resolve. All right, so let's play and see. Okay, that's the first keyframe zooming inside. Then the next keyframe is right there, zooming outside again. Then the last one is right there, zooming outside. All right, so that's it guys. I hope you found value in this video. Please, if so, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.